Hi, my name is Nicola O'Neill and I'm a lecturer with Griffith College, currently lecturing in Year 2 Advanced Financial Accounting for the Accounts Technicians course. Not only is this a highly recognised course within the area of accounting, it's also the fact that it creates a platform for students to move on in their studies if they wish to do so. Griffith is a highly regarded college, and not only does it offer the facility for students to not only study from home as opposed to going into college, but it's also got a family friendly aspect to it, in that students can log on to view the lectures and the Zooms whenever they please. They can fit it into their own personal life, and for whatever reason that they can't attend. If it's a case where there is a situation where the students can't, there is also other means by which the students can contact the lecturer to discuss aspects which are causing any difficulty. So just to name just a few methods of communication, Griffith has the Moodle page, and within the Moodle page is a forum where all students and the lecturer can talk together. The lecturer also has an email address which they can be contacted at, and in addition, most lecturers set up a WhatsApp group where I do that with my team as well, of my students, and it works really well. Not only does it helps for some students who may be actually studying and having some difficulties, but what it also does is it actually prompts and motivates other students to kind of get back into the books and realize how important it is to pass these exams and to move on in your workplace. It gives people the confidence in their role to understand exactly what they are doing. I can't emphasize the importance of this qualification enough. And just to give you a little bit of an idea of my style, when my style is sometimes even the term advanced financial can frighten people. I like to bring it down to every day. I like people to realize that a cash flow is not something that they've never done before, even if they never worked. A cash flow is something we all do coming up to Christmas time. And we've all put money aside for things, accruing for costs. We've all paid deposits, paid for things in advance, the prepayments. So that's my idea of how I can make a connection with students, is that even if you've never done accountancy before, and I know you're coming from Year 1 because I pick you up in Year 2, but even if you have struggled on some of those aspects, I take it back to basics, take it back to everyday life. And even if you haven't done a cash flow for Christmas before, if you haven't done those things, we will always find an example that you can relate to, whether it be a friend that you can do, or else we start off with basic examples. So my theory is, everybody, I want to reach out to everybody, no matter where you have come from in life, no matter what path has brought you to Griffith to study accounts technician, no matter what it is. I want to be able to connect with you and make you make the connection then with your studies. Thanks very much for listening. Bye now.